Dave here at Rousseau's RV. Today we're looking at the 2022 8288SB Signature Ultralight Rockwood. Say that 3 times fast. 37 feet long, coming in at really just under 10,000 pounds. Let's see exactly what this weighs. Oh, well, forget that. 10,868. Woo! Wowzers. This is a biggie. This is one of the biggest units Rockwood builds. 3 slide outs. You got a bedroom slide with a king bed, 2 opposing slides in the living room. You're gonna see how awesome that layout is in a little bit. We're just gonna walk around, check it out. So your battery storage. You got all the mechanisms for the one-touch leveling system. Signatures come standard with a leveling system now. One press a button, levels it. Of course, that's not the only feature. You can also go up and down on your front legs, which you'll have to do with a 5th wheel, but very convenient when trying to level a 10,000 pound, 37-foot trailer to have that self-leveling system. Water hookups are here, city water, tank flush, all of it right here, and very convenient chart to show you the different configurations to do what you need to do. Also comes with a spray nozzle, spray port. I was impressed with the size of this storage compartment. This is really big. I mean, all 5th wheels, I shouldn't say all, the vast majority of 5th wheels have a storage compartment like this size, but they're usually smaller than this. This is huge. Huge, way wider than the doors. You see the aluminum that they use, structural support under the floor there. That's going to be in your bedroom. It's all throughout this unit. So I like what they've done here. So there is a galley tank, so that's the 2nd gray tank. There's also your 1st gray tank. So you can see there's actually 2 gray valves, and there's a black valve. So all of them come out this one outlet. So you don't have to get 2 hoses, you don't have to hook 2 things up, you don't have to take one thing on, put one thing off. You just got all valves, they're all coming out here. You don't have to deal with a second outlet. It's all easily accessible right there. Good job, Rockwood. I like what you did there. And they even put a nice light for you outside if you have to come out here at night. These slide rooms, this is actually a special order unit. So we got it, the customer got it with slide toppers. We always recommend slide toppers. Sorry about the road noise, busy intersection. So we get the slide toppers on all the slides. And you see this customer actually got the 18 cubic foot gas electric fridge, which is an option on this model. Not a residential fridge, which is standard. But when you get gas electric, you got the 2 panels for ventilation. Your electrical hookup on the side, 50 amp, and potable water fill. Another option the customer got was the storage rack. It's actually built into the bumper, so even with the storage rack, you still have access to the receiver hitch. Standard ladder, standard mount for backup camera. See the windows, when we get inside, you're gonna see how much light is in this unit. Customer got the Newport Ash, which is the lighter option, so you add that with all the windows and it's just a nice bright camper. Back here, I think you have another port. Yeah, so remember that blue hose with the nozzle? That goes in here as well. Outside kitchen. Try not to hit myself in the face. Electric fridge. Countertop space, outlet, 2 burner cooktop. So you have that, but you also have a griddle, gas griddle. And a TV, probably not the one inside, that's gonna be way too big, but you can get a TV that mounts outside, hooks up there. A little bit more storage. This is under the U-dinette. Of course, 4-step more ride system. Really easy to use. You can use one finger if you want to bring this in and out. So what they did on this model is they actually split the the awning into two awnings. So you have the main awning over the door, but you have the secondary awning at the second slide room. And here's the other side. Oh man, it's so big, it's awesome. So that little table mounts outside. You have the sweep vac, so not only can you just sweep in there and then just press the button on it and it sucks everything in, but it also comes, this one comes with the accessory, so you can kind of use it like a vacuum. So you have a little vacuum in there. Very exciting. 2 30-pound bottles standard. And the last thing I want to talk about is the turning point system. So a lot of folks have short bed trucks, and what this allows you to do, so instead of the pivot point being at this pin, it actually, this little piece here comes off, locks in front, and your pivot point moves back 22 inches to here. So you can take a sharp turn and not worry about this front of the fifth wheel crushing your cab of your truck. Is awesome. Most of our customers have utilized that feature because most of our customers have short beds. All right, let's head inside and check out this beautiful rear living room. This is the Newport Ash interior with the stone furniture. This customer got the 18-foot cubic foot gas electric fridge instead of the standard residential fridge. They wanted the gas option. One of the few units where you can get this fridge. Also, as an option, got the MaxxAir fan with cover. Comes with a controller, so you obviously can't reach up there. You have to get a ladder to reach up that high, but you get it with the controller. The standard 13.5 BTU AC. You can also upgrade to a 15,000 BTU AC. And strongly recommended in a fifth wheel like this size. You get a second air conditioner. These two ACs together are supported by a 50 amp electrical system. Let's take a look around here. So you have a hide-a-bed sofa in the back, pulls out. You can sleep two on it. Very easy to set up. There's counter on either side with electrical hookups on either side of the sofa. This is theater seats. Theater seats recline almost fully in a laying down position. There's some storage on either side. Open up. And in the middle, this actually has USB charger ports and an electrical outlet. I mentioned that 18 cubic foot double door fridge. This is really massive. You can see it set up here. It's almost hard to to reach across it. It opens up so wide. So top freezer and bottom. Ooh. Yeah, it's almost, I have to stand so far back for you to see this. Polar Max. This particular model has an island, and this island does have an outlet, so you can plug things in, set things up on the counter. You got plenty of counter space. Also have some drawers and a little bit of room under the sink for some storage. Double-sided sink, and these actually just come right off. I love these covers because you can put things on them. You can wash your dishes and just let it drain. The U-dinette can turn into a bed. Nice large seating area, but also a bed, and you have storage on either side. Electric fireplace. This is just an awesome setup. So right across from the theater seat, you have the electric fireplace. You have your TV, sound bar, CD player. Like the windows in here, and with the Newport Ash, it's so bright. Newport Ash and the stone interior. All these windows, these all open. Most of them open up from the bottom. This slide window actually slides up, so that bottom half totally opens. Everything else just opens up from the bottom. So bright, and then all the windows by the dinette. So the fifth wheels, especially the Signatures, you're gonna have that sweep-o-vac. So it's basically you sweep out all the dirt over to here, and then you hit this little, tap this button with your foot, and it sucks it in to a holding bag on the other side, and then you can dump it later. So this particular model has kind of a unique pantry area. So you have the shelves, goes all the way to the floor, and then garbage. And they come standard with these, so you can put like brooms or whatever right there. The customer ordered this actually is thinking about maybe putting a shelf up there too, just to make the most use of this space, because this is a pretty big space. I mean, you can like hide in here. You just stand inside of this thing and close the door behind you. So plenty of space. Oven standard, 3-burner cooktop, big microwave up top too. Storage above the hide-a-bed. Another storage cabinet. And then under here as well, shelf. So your control panel right here, all your slide rooms, awning, interior lights, the WeRV app right there, which I really recommend, not just for controlling your slide outs and lights and awnings, but really to get those how-to videos and the manuals. It's an invaluable resource. So this particular one, this unit, doesn't have the solar on the roof because you got the gas electric fridge option. So if it was a 12-volt fridge, it'll come standard with solar. At least on the Signatures, it's going to come with solar if you get a 12-volt fridge, but because it's a gas electric fridge and it's a Signature fifth wheel, they're not going to come standard with solar. That would be like an additional option. Really nice shower, big shower. You can have like a spot to sit if you want in the shower. Really nice sink, really solid. Porcelain toilet, and a little bit more storage. All Rockwoods come standard with the max air fan in the bathroom. If you were to get the second TV option, go right in between these two windows in the bedroom, right on top of this dresser. Standard king size bed, 70 by 80 inch king bed. Windows on either side, and those can open for a nice cross breeze. Storage. And same on that side. And then a couple of drawers. Same size, and they are soft closing. Yeah, I love that. All right, so storage, tons of storage in here. And a top shelf, a couple of shelves. Fantastic. You will not want for storage in this unit. There's plenty of it. Lots of lights. I love how many ceiling lights there are. Those accent lights over the island. It's a beautiful unit. Love the rear living room. Very practical. So you could sleep 4. You could turn this into the 2-person bed. Grandkids or whoever you got coming could sleep on here. And this is a 37-foot trailer. This is big. This is one of Rockwood's biggest units. Beautiful, spacious. If you order a fifth wheel, they're coming up actually a lot faster than other travel trailers from Rockwood. like the Geos, Minis, Ultras are taking about 6 months. But we're finding that the fifth wheels that are ordered for customers are coming in about 3 or 4 months. And that's been consistent this year, about 3 or 4 months. You can get them a lot faster. All right, so this Rockwood 8288SB. This was custom ordered at Rousseau's RV Center. You could order as well. Right now it is mid-October, so you'd probably be looking at, let's see, November, December, January, probably sometime late February or March. You could expect this unit if you were to order in the next week or two. All right, hope everyone has a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.